If you've served in the military, then you've earned a very valuable benefit when it comes to buying a home, and that's your VA home loan benefit. And in this video, we'll share with you the top 5 advantages of using your VA loan to purchase your next home. Hi, my name is Casey and I'm a local realtor. And if this is your first time here, we share a new video every week with information and tips about the local housing market. And if you find the information helpful, we'd love if you hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Okay, so let's get started. The VA home loan program offers some very unique and significant advantages that are not typically found in other mortgage types. And over the years, this program has helped millions of veterans, service members, and military families become homeowners. These government-backed loans are one of the best options for veterans when it comes time to buy a home. So who's eligible for a VA loan? Well, to qualify, you must meet one of the following service requirements. You served 90 consecutive days of active service during wartime. You served 181 days of active service during peacetime. You have 6 years of service in the reserves of the National Guard, or you're the spouse of a service member that has died in the line of duty or as a result of a service-related injury. So if you meet any of these conditions, then you're eligible to apply for a VA loan. Okay, so let's take a deeper look at the top 5 advantages of using a VA loan. Number 1, no down payment. This is by far the biggest advantage of using a VA loan. This program allows veterans and service members to buy a home without having to spend years savings for a typical down payment. Other loans, like an FHA loan, usually require a minimum of 3.5% for a down payment. That means on a purchase of $500,000, an FHA buyer would need to put down $17,500 for a down payment. And if a buyer wants to use a conventional loan, they'd have to save at least $25,000 for their down payment. Saving money and building credit can be hard, so it's easy to see why not having to come up with a large down payment is such a huge advantage of using a VA loan. Number 2, no private mortgage insurance. Private mortgage insurance, or PMI, is insurance that protects a lender in case a borrower defaults on their loan. Many conventional lenders require borrowers to pay PMI unless they can put down at least 20%. And borrowers have to pay this monthly fee until they build up 20% equity in the home. And FHA loans have their own form of monthly mortgage insurance too. But unlike conventional or FHA loans, VA loans don't require any private monthly mortgage insurance. This means that veterans can stretch their buying power and have lower monthly mortgage payments. Number 3, easier to qualify. Another advantage of a VA loan is that it does not have a set minimum credit score to be eligible. This encourages lenders to assess the full credit profile of a buyer rather than make a decision based on just their credit score. And the minimum credit score needed for a VA loan is typically lower than what a buyer would need to get an FHA or a conventional loan too. So a veteran doesn't need a perfect credit score to secure a loan with a competitive interest rate. And VA loans are more forgiving when a buyer is bouncing back after a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, or a short sale too. Number 4, competitive interest rates. Offering competitive interest rates is another way the VA loan program helps veterans buy a home. The VA loan program actually offers some of the lowest mortgage interest rates in the market. Typically, VA interest rates are 0.5% to 1% lower than conventional interest rates. And these lower rates help veterans save money on their monthly mortgage payments. And finally, number 5, lifetime benefit. One of the most common misconceptions about the VA loan program is that it's a one-time benefit, but it's not. Veterans who qualify for a VA loan can use this program over and over again, and the benefit never expires. So don't think that because you use your VA loan benefit before, you can't use it again, because the truth is you can. So as you can see, the VA loan program has many benefits, and it's a great program for veterans looking to buy a home. So if you're a veteran, consider taking advantage of your VA benefit and meet with a lender to get pre-approved. And if you need help finding a lender that specializes in VA loans, just let us know. We'd be glad to put you in touch with a great lender that can help you get the process started.